जय मातृभूमि मैम.
जब जय मातृभूमि, राधे राधे.
How are you, ma'am? Today
Oh,
you are over the moon. You feel very happy. I can see your face.
because as you know, like I have
Happy new
got
boy.
so yeah, so that is why I am happy. I'm over the moon.
Yes. So tell me, ma'am, last 3 days, how are you? How are you feel? And now, how happy?
Okay, 2 3 days. Okay, I have to share one thing and funny story. Like my husband purchased uh, new phone for me. Six, yeah, uh, date. It's a day. It was sixth date, I think. So yeah, and that is I have been trying to upload Skype app, but this app every app this app is not be able to uploading and is not be able to uh, Skype app uploading. I'm not opening, so this is my bad time. It has gone, and after that yesterday I have started. I have uploaded that is Cap app, and after that, I am talking with you. And
Yeah.
my was
Also
my
feel happy. I'm also feel happy because now you connect me. Now you can connect me in Skype application.
yeah, same thing is here because yeah, I'm so happy. I am glad to see you again because I don't feel like that I am connecting with you again. So
But
yeah.
yeah, I told you na, don't worry, ma'am. You create new stuff. Yeah, and then after I add you. Yeah.
Mm. Because my number, I think Skype app say my number has I think blocked, and my
Yeah.
husband yeah entered his number, and after that Skype app has uploaded.
Yeah, it's happened, ma'am. When we get easily anything, so that is not important for a we. Okay, for that thing. Okay, but when we struggle there and we get that thing, so that importance more than in our life.
Yeah, right. Exactly. Okay.
Okay. So,
So
nowadays, what are you doing for learn this language?
I can't hear. Tell me again.
Yes, yes, I repeat it. Nowadays, what are you doing for learn this language?
Why are you learn this language?
Nowadays, what are you do for
Okay,
learn?
okay. I don't know. Only I'm watching videos and yeah, reading book.
But I feel you getting more than confident.
So okay, so thank you for that. You are appreciating me, and yeah, because we are practicing all the time, as you know. Because I have talked to someone like Gyanendra. He is saying like this also. Yeah, you are confidence better than before. So that time I feel happy, but 2 days I have not take any session, so I feel demotivate, like I'm not able to speak start in front of others. But now I think I will have to start more confidence again, because day by day I have to take every session, and you, as you know, and nowadays I love to connect strangers. I love to talk strangers. So yeah, that is why you can you can see me confidence.
Yes, yes, I can see in your face also you feel very happy and very confident also.
Okay, thank you.
Very gorgeous.
Really? Thank you for complimenting me. Okay. Hmm. Okay, tell me more about yourself and what was your day and what was your uh, practice going on. Like
Yeah,
I know, I know very well that your home is get consistent work.
yes, there are renovation work going on. That's why I didn't take any session. Yeah, but yeah, in audio call, and now I connect with you. Yeah, sometime other people.
Mm-hmm.
This practice going on, but yeah, I didn't take any video session last 1 week, and I upload a video also whose I have old video, so there I upload.
Yeah, and I also my own YouTube channel only. You know, I think 6 years, seven. I think uploaded on my YouTube channel. After that, my phone is not functioning properly, so that is I. And yeah, and now I can start my journey. I can say I can start a new journey with the YouTube and Skype app and Facebook because I would like to upload on my Facebook as well.
I also earlier I'm not used na I'm not in social media, but now when I come in my YouTube channel, so I try to upload daily. But last 1 week I didn't upload. Last 5 days I didn't upload. So I feel I never do anything like that. I'm feel my day waste, and I didn't take any video call session. Yeah, I take audio call, but I didn't take video call, na. So yeah, I feel
Yeah, it's
I
a bad.
never do.
Okay, you are not able to upload. You are not able to video calling, but at least you be able to audio calling. It's a better, I can say, because you
Yes,
are
yes,
yeah you are doing practice like a video calling, yeah, audio calling. Both are you different, like face to face and eye contact. If you start a conversation with someone, so you feel more confidence.
yes, yes. If we connect with daily anybody, so at that time we feel more confident. Yeah, I am able to connect anybody, and I am able to speak anybody. I am able to conversation anybody. Yeah, and now you are my friend, so I am feel very happy.
Yeah, since I have started talking video that time, as we are friend, we have friend, we have been friend. I can say. Yeah, I'm so happy because I don't that last 3 days I don't I have Skype app I'm not using, so that time we are connect only audio calling, normal calling, because we are sharing call number, so that is why we are connect each other.
You
So
can see, Chitty, the this is my puppy.
okay,
Sweetie,
puppy, what is name?
sweetie,
He, yeah,
sweetie,
puppy.
sweetie, it's name Sweetie.
Okay, she's a girl.
Yeah, she's girl, Sweetie.
Okay, sweetie. Oh, nice name. Okay, and you have to, all the time you are. doing household work and take care of your children and sweetie, you have to endure, engrossed.
Yeah. We are women now. We have more work. We have more responsibility.
Yeah, right, right, right. I also because yeah, I don't have yeah, I don't have any hot but summer days is going on, so sometimes I feel don't I don't feel like doing anything work hot work. Only I feel like lie down on the bed and watching phone and using phone.
Yeah, but in summer days, many time light gone. Yeah, the power cut there. So
Hmm.
I feel at that time very angry.
Yeah, when the power went off at that time, yeah, I feel, yeah, I am getting angry. Why the power went off? Why did power go on? Yeah, that
Yeah,
time.
and in my home there renovation work going on now. So power cut, so they can't able to complete this work. So and I live only one room. So I am feel very tired and very angry. And
Hmm. And you feel when it finish the work.
yeah, I want to finish this work quickly.
Hmm. Because you are since you have your structure, what is they called instruction? What nah instruction. Oh god.
I should give the instruction, then they can able to what we say, then they able to clearly work. Otherwise, they make anywhere mistake and that thing spoil. And how again I earn thing. Yeah, they are in my washroom. Okay, last washing area I saw with you. I saw you now. So
Hmm.
there
Yes,
ties,
so.
they both are ties, they mix. Yeah, and at that time I go and I sleep. Okay, I slept, and he make mistake. I feel very angry.
Oh god. Your husband, otherwise your husband live at home that time.
No, no, my husband, he goes to his work
Okay.
because nowadays summer season, na, so he should go to his work complete because everyone I never I can't survive without power cut. So who has AC, so how they survive.
Yeah, get repaired.
Yeah, so that's why my husband in this day very busy.
Yeah. Okay. So when did you go? Your shop?
No, I'm never go
No,
there.
no. Your husband. Well, your husband.
He he is owner now, so he never go to
Exactly.
like sometime. What is the required? Okay, sometime he goes to early morning like 8 o'clock, like 9 to 10. Okay, and come back never there. What we say, correct time. This is I'm not getting correct word. Okay. So when his work completed, then he come. Then he
Okay.
will come.
Okay, you don't know. You don't know what time is it. He goes and he came.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
Yeah.
His work not decided. Yeah.
Yeah. And
First
it's not.
time. Yeah.
Okay.
Sometime
So.
customer there who want to early morning come, okay, because they want to go office, so they call him early morning, so that's why they go to early morning at that time. And sometime it's happen, he daily 7 to 8, he used 7 to 8 time, 8 o'clock come, okay, but it happen sometime. Someone purchase new AC, okay, and they want to उसी दिन उनको लगवाना है.
Mm-hmm. So that time,
It's happened
that
at that time.
he will have
Yeah,
to go there.
yeah. You have to fix that AC, then he
Mm.
will. Otherwise, he can't. Sometimes it's happened because customer they don't understand. Sometimes in at night 11 o'clock, okay, they call my AC not working. So he said, what
You
should I
can.
do now? Now 11 o'clock, I want to sleep. He I want to
Okay.
start. Yeah. So he said, my kids not, my kids bother me. So please come in this. So he said, no, in this time, if I go outside, so my wife go with me. My wife not allow me in this time. Night 11 o'clock, he want to
Yeah,
work. Yeah.
11 o'clock everyone lives at home, and
Yeah.
it's very difficult. And at night working outside, yeah, it's very difficult for him.
Yeah.
Mm. But customer, yeah, yeah, every customers like me, and something is working properly. But my husband is a lazy person, and when I called, when I told him, okay, yeah, cooler is not working and out of order, yeah, busy, is not working, out of order. Okay, I call him yesterday, and it's I think it's 11 o'clock. It has gone, so they will come. How will come? How will they come? So yeah, my husband, he understanding.
Ah, I understand. I want to my work complete quickly, okay? And I said my husband many times, why you didn't say anything there? Now 1 week complete, and why did you not say anything? So he said me, now what are you doing? He done his work gradually. What you want? You want to your work neatly, clean. You should keep patience.
Hmm. Yeah, okay, yeah, it's obviously like and you have to little bit patient, because yeah, when who wants to working, so yeah, they feel like he has also family member. So customer, they have to understand.
Yes, yes, yeah.
So yeah,
But
and mhm. And
yes, yeah. But who has AC? Now in this era, my husband 11 years completed. Okay, in this work. Okay, but when in summer season, mostly 11 o'clock, 12 o'clock they called, and sometimes they called 4 o'clock morning time. Okay, and my husband said, now I am sleeping, so please don't disturb me.
yeah, when you start disturb him, then you will not you will not spare you.
Yes.
Review, yeah. But and yeah, since and okay, tell me one thing, like summer day, your husband working, AC repair, like okay, and winter day.
In winter, they also going on this work in AC repair, AC fitting. Okay, so they are also what we say many house, new house. Okay, when we क्या बोलेंगे उसको?
They has the new house.
Yeah,
Hmm.
there are many apartments now, new apartments. So at that time they require give to his customer. Nowadays everyone give to complete work. Okay, so the pipeline in AC pipeline setting everything. Then he sell that apartment.
Yeah, that's
Yeah.
good. And you
Every
have,
time every time he busy, but in summer's time he very busy. He don't have time to talk with me, call with
mm,
me.
yeah, it's happen because they will be, busy all the time.
Yes, you know, ma'am. In Corona pandemic,
Ma'am, first
uh,
don't call him ma'am, Pooja. Tell me, because we are friends, so I don't like you are saying madam.
yeah, sorry, Pooja. When was the Corona pandemic going on? You know. So at that time, I also work very hard in my tuition, school continuously. Okay, so maybe start March in March. Okay, March in March or April. They are all first time when start Corona pandemic. So
Mm-hmm.
क्या बोलेंगे उसको? I don't know what should I say. At that time, everything closed. Na nobody's
Okay, okay.
lockdown at that time lockdown. Okay, so in summer, okay, I get
No one, no one can outside
yeah,
because
no,
mm,
I at that time I also getting time. I also at home, and my husband also in home. So last 5 years I didn't spend time. We both are didn't spend time because in winter vacation, winter time, I don't have time. In
okay.
rainy season, in winter season, I don't have time. Yeah, he has time in winter season, and I have time only summer vacation. But in summer vacation, he very busy, and in winter time, I am all very busy. Okay,
Both
and
are opposite.
opposite. When start Corona pandemic, at that time when started Corona pandemic, I get time, and he also get time. We both are in at home, and we was I very well. I like it was movie, so we spent time. Everyone that time very बहुत दुखी थे. Everyone said that time how
How can
how
we manage? How can
how
we
we manage,
how
how we manage. But I getting spend time with my husband, so I feel very happy at that time.
yeah. Yeah, I was thinking that you are saying same thing. And okay, yeah. Lockdown, yeah, I think lockdown you are best time because
Yeah,
we both
yeah.
spending time.
Yes, when I watch a news channel, so I very scared. So my husband told me, "You don't watch news channel. Please don't watch." He also was okay. I don't want to watch, but he was na. So when I was, so he told me, "You don't watch. If you watch these things, so you feel scared. So please don't watch. You can watch your movie."
Okay. Okay. Do you feel like whatever you can watch on your movie at your phone? Okay, on your phone. Okay.
And at that time we
Yeah,
spend
good
time.
thing.
Yes,
Mm.
yeah,
But you know lockdown, lots of people who lives another place and another place and another they don't have time too much and spending your children and their wife and at home. So yeah, there's a beneficial that time. Yeah, they
yeah.
have.
I get beneficial that time, and last at that time, maybe 3 months or 4 months, 3 months maybe. My husband give me time.
Hmm. So you feel good. I can see your
Very
face.
good. Yes.
Yeah,
So
I also live at home. no one can go outside. And at that time I feel, oh my god, what should I do? And and I'm using phone whole the day and watching movie and TV. And sometimes I get bored because how much how many talk of each other, how many.
Yeah. But I told you, last 5 years I didn't get this kind time. Okay, when I was getting this kind of time, so I feel very happy. 2 months, 2 months. Okay, I feel very happy 2 months. Then after 2 months, then I was thinking, what should I do? How manage everything? Yeah, because you sit at home, and how you, because we are middle class now.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, every middle class it happened because I also belong to middle class. So yeah, I know very well that and he has they they have only they go to office after that day. Yeah, they work outside. After that he money from
Yeah.
there. Can you live at home, and who give you money? And hot and spending lots of thing you have to purchase. So yeah, it's a long,
You
you can.
purchase everything. You have to purchase at that time everything what is necessary for you. But
Hmm.
everything very costly also at that time.
Hmm. Yeah, right. Everything is very costly that time. And my husband, don't believe that my husband before corona started, and at that time my husband the quite that job, because where he working, he's working that, so finish that work, who जो वो काम करते थे वो फिनिश हो चुका था. So that is why. And he thought okay. And boss, before boss said okay, my work has completed, so I can't offer you, um, keep your at office. So my husband quit, and leave the job. And after that, yeah, and that time you give yeah, he got money. So and whole I can say whole coronavirus when is starting. So that time we hold 2 3 months my husband whatever they has purchased, so everything 3 months रोजमर्रा की जो कहते हैं, what is this so called, I don't remember that time, this time. So yeah, every 3 months my husband spent the money.
Yes, yes.
Yeah, and after that, when corona year lockdown is over. After that, my husband went to started new job. So that time you don't have any job, so it's a very difficult for me.
And
It's
in
very difficult for me.
summer season, in summer season at that time come na corona pandemic, and in summer season actual my मेरे हस्बैंड का मेन बिजनेस एसी है ना, तो एट दैट टाइम इन समर सीजन वी लॉक लॉक we don't go to outside, we can't go to outside. So how we survive in summer season, what he get money, okay, what he earn money,
Hmm.
that whole in my whole year we can spend, okay. And 2 years, last 2 years, okay, at that time, 2 years na corona pandemic. So at that time in summer season, so my husband he didn't work in AC work, he can't work, he can't go to outside. So my situation very at that time very bad.
Yeah, because financial problem it's a very bad because you have a money so you can do anything, you can purchase anything, but you don't have money. Sometimes you will have to think, okay, and this thing you have to purchase and that thing leave it. Okay, I will purchase another time. So yeah, it's
Yeah.
very difficult.
At that time, I think if I have own house, so I can maintain. If I have rent house, so how I give rent? At that time, I understand. I understand. Yeah, if I make my own house, so that is good for.
Right, right, right. Because yeah,
Right.
I also watch so, who lives a rented house. So they had gone village. They had
Yeah.
gone village to live. Okay, and yeah, and that's great for them because that was great because they don't they don't have any money, and he's a owner that yeah they that home. And how can and he don't वो मानेंगे नहीं, he will not agree that you have to pay rented house, you have to pay.
Yes, you have to pay rented house. If you have own house, you can survive like आप बासी बात खा के भी जी सकते हो.
हाँ, right, right.
वो ओन हाउस आपके सर पे छत होना चाहिए तो आप कैसे भी घर में बासी बात खा के जी लोगे इन माय ओपिनियन बट यू डोंट हैव हाउस सो हाउ वी सर्वाइव.
Hmm. Yeah, right, right, right. Because that time, yeah, yeah, one time you make food, and after that you can eat night, and in the morning you have to eat or you can eat. Okay, and rented house you have to you can't eat, you will not eat, but you have to only thinking about that. Yeah, I have to give rented house or rented pay. Okay, so yeah, that's it. And I also watch a lots of several people, so they had gone village to live. Okay, that yeah, somehow they live, they they could have live.
Yes, our recording is very long so I stopped recording.
Yeah, yeah, of course.